Hello, and let me show you how I found a way to make money with a Chrome extension and AliExpress affiliate links. The first thing I did was subscribe to the AliExpress affiliate program. This offered me the possibility of turning clicks into money. Each time somebody clicks on an AliExpress product link and later buys that product or a different product, I will get a share of that product's price. But just throwing links around hoping that somebody will click is not the way to do it. So I thought of a strategy. The first thing you have to think is how to offer something that is valuable for the user. If you find such a thing, then you can ask something in return. In my case, what I get in return is a small profit. One day, while surfing the internet with the intent of shopping some products, and especially some products on AliExpress, I realized that AliExpress lists the products in such a way that is very confusing for the users. Some products would show you the shipping price, some would not, and sometimes even if a product will show you the shipping price and the product price, you still have to mentally calculate the sum of these two to know which offer is the best for you. And then it struck me. What if I created a Chrome extension that will automatically calculate the shipping price plus the product price, and then sort this in an ascending order so that the user can pick the desired product or the best offer, which means price plus shipping lowest first, without wasting any more time. I had a very limited experience with creating Chrome extensions, and I read the documentation. In just a few weeks, I had a minimum viable product. It was looking like this. Notice the simplicity of the user interface. All you need to do is just search for a product and then click here, and voila, we have the products sorted in an ascending order. That's all. It's that easy. Well, the logic became more complicated after that, but that was the starting idea. I used it on my own for a while. I was very satisfied with it, and the plan was this: make the life easier for the user so they can see the products properly sorted and they can click right away and buy. This way, a lot of time will be saved. And what's in it for me? Well, each time a user would click on a link, I would turn that automatically into an affiliate link. This was totally transparent for the user. I applied my plan, and guess what? Money started coming right away. I was amazed. In a very, very short time, I had almost 200 users. Early on, I started some minor problems. Now and then, AliExpress would change the CSS of the page, which caused my extension to malfunction or even not work at all. Well, initially there were only minor problems I could fix, let's say, in 1 or 2 days. And I even had greater plans for the extension. I started adding more languages. I started noticing that if I create language support for more languages, more users would come. But adding language support was very, very, very difficult, because I remember different languages had some minor differences between CSS. Things looked great. I was even making plans. I could see myself earning thousands within months. But then it happened. AliExpress totally removed the front page shipping price. Bummer. My extension was dead now. That's the way to ruin a young entrepreneur's life. Oh well, I moved on. You can make money? Probably other alternative ways exist. By the way, I already have new ideas on how to make money online. And if you want to share this journey with me, please subscribe.